This beautiful channel once again. So as we all know, this is the era of artificial intelligence. And things are becoming easier and easier for us. Now, I want to quickly show you, as an educator, as a teacher, an instructor, it's compulsory. You have your lesson plan, your lesson notes, your e-notes, whatever you call it. I want to quickly show you how you can generate your own lesson notes yourself, your e-note, a standard e-note, so that you can just transfer to your notebook or use your device, your laptop, your iPad, your tablet, your mobile phone to teach directly. Now, what we'll be using today is your phone and at the AI that we'll be using the Chat GPT. I'll walk you through the step-by-step method on how you can get ChatGPT on your phone, how you can prompt it to get the e-notes, and how you can get the e-notes out from the ChatGPT for whatever reason you want to use it for. Take your time, don't go anywhere, and let's get started. Now, firstly, let me start afresh. To get ChatGPT, we can use two methods. You can use the web browser, using your web browser, or you can download the app. Now let me start with the web browser. Now let's use Google Chrome. This is what Google Chrome here, as you can see it, Google Chrome. So click on the Google Chrome. I will come to the web address here. The web address, come to the web address and type ChatGPT. Good. ChatGPT.com. You can see it has launched the interface for us. Now the other method is this. We go to, if you are using Android phone, you go to your Play Store. If you are using if you are using iPhone, you go to your App Store. Now I'm using an Android phone, so let's go to Play Store to download. Now once you're on your Play Store, you simply come to the search bar here, you come to the search and you type what? ChatGPT. Then it brings out the interface for you. Just simply click on install here, install, to get it to your phone. Once you have it on your phone, you are good to go. Now let's get back to the browser. I want to use the browser. Now you're on ChatGPT. Now this is the interface of ChatGPT. You can upgrade if you have money to Pro. Yeah, but even with the free version, you can do whatever you want to do. Now, let's take, for example, you're teaching computer studies and your topic is computer hardware for GSS2. Now this is how you're going to prompt it. Generate, if you're having maybe three periods per week, or 4 periods, or whatever, you include it there. Now let's take, for example, a 3 periods class. Generate a 3 periods lesson notes lesson notes for GSS2 on the topic computer hardware. Now you also include something. It depends on where you are, where you're teaching, what state, and which the level of education you are taking. Now, for example, I'm in Oyo State, so this is what I'm going to do. You change it to your own thing. This is what I'm going to do. Generate a 3-period lesson notes for GSS2 on the topic computer hardware, following the TESCOM Oyo State standard. That's all. Now just send it and wait for it to do its work. I've sent it, so let's wait for it to do the work for us. Below is a 3-period lesson for GSS2 on computer hardware, waiting to align with Oyo State TESCOM standard with clear week, class, duration, instructional objective, content, teachers, learners, activity, teaching need, and evaluation. Then let's go down. Here's the lesson notes. Now you can see it here. TESCOM standard lesson plan. Okay. Subject computer circular GS2, topic computer hardware, period, duration 3 periods, term, we enter the term, week, we enter the week. Reference materials, new general computers for GSS2, also the post scheme of work, computer system if applicable, charts, real hardware parts, etc. Period 1, subtopic. You remember the topic is what? Computer hardware. Then subtopic is what? Meaning and types of computer hardware. Instructional objects. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to define computer. Remember, All these are based on TESCOM Oyo State standard. So if you are in, let's say Kwara State, you use what? TESCOM Kwara State standard. If you are in, let's say Cross River, whatever you call it there, TESCOM Cross River State standard. So then scroll the entry behavior, you just transfer it to your notebook. And if you are using a digital note, you just simply go to the classroom with your mobile phone, your tablet or whatever. Instructional materials, your contents, blah blah blah, categories of hardware. That's the first period. You can see the first period. At the end of the first period, you have your assignments. Then period 2 is period 2. You can see it is period 2. Contents. Go on. Remember, this is for JSS to junior students. So the note should be what? Very short notes. Because you have to give short notes and explain more. So for students to be able to do what? To catch up with the class. If you are given bulky notes, students will get tired. So you have to make your notes very short and explain more. So that's why it's giving you this short note with more explanations. So this is it. Period 3. This is period 3. This is period 3. So end of the 3-period lesson. Now you have gotten it. Now it's not late for you to now do what? Now copy it out. If you want to print it, you can't print it like this. Now to copy it out, now you click on this sign you are seeing here. So once you click on it, can you see? Copy to clipboard. The first thing you do is what? Paste it back here. Paste it here. Now once you paste it here, because if you don't do that, I want to show you how you remove traces of what? AI. If you don't do that, once you take it to where you want to print it out or you print it directly, it will give you signs that you are copying from AI directly. Now you paste it here. I pasted it back. We'll now come to this, starting from here. We delete it to the back. Let me just come from here and select it down. So let me come from here and select it down. Delete. Good. Again, I'll stop at assignments. Good. I'm stopping at assignments now. So you can even delete this if you want. So assignments. You also go back to the top. Also. You also delete from here. No, delete from here rather. You don't need it. Just copy it. Click and hold it. Drag it up. Click and hold it. Drag it and delete it. Now you now have your lesson notes. So you now click and hold it again. Click on these 3 signs that you are seeing here to select all. Then you come back, then you go back there and click cuts. You cut it away from this place, or you copy it. You cut it or you copy it. Cuts. Now you now take it to wherever you want to paste it. Now in this case, now I want to paste it on my note on my phone. So I want to paste it on notes on my phone. I've opened the notes, paste it. Once you have pasted it, you can edit it. You can remove all this to make it look presentable. You can edit it like this. I hope you are following. You can edit it. You come here also, make it look more presentable. Even if you want to print it out or you want to be using it directly from your mobile phone, it will look easy to work with. Even anybody that sees it will not be able to tell that it is written by AI. If you don't do all this, anyone that sees it will know that, okay, it's AI that wrote it. Now let me just pause it and do it. So now, as you can see, it is now completely edited. Can you see it? So if you are doing the same thing, you can just do it like this. It's either you print it out, you save it, or whichever way you want to do. Now also, if you don't have the time to pass through this stress, I'll drop a website on the description. You can always go to that website, careerconnect.com.ng. You can always go to that website to get your scheme of work, your lesson notes, or you make a request. We'll make it available for you. Thank you very much. I hope you practice this and you get good at it. Thank you. Bye-bye.